Hello everyone, and welcome to today's blog post. Today we're doing a video post as opposed to a written post, so hopefully you enjoy the change of pace here. Today's topic is going to be on life insurance. It's a topic that really no one wants to discuss, but today we're going to talk about it because if you ignore it and bury your head in the sand, then you could find yourself or a family member could be in a dire financial situation if you don't address it. There's really only one reason why a person would want to have life insurance. And that reason is if someone or something is financially dependent upon you. We'll go through a few examples here to kind of make the point. So imagine if you're single, no spouse, no kids, nobody's really dependent upon your income. In that situation, you really don't need any sort of life insurance, maybe other than maybe burial expenses. Let's look at another example with a married couple with children. So maybe one spouse works, one spouse stays home, and if the spouse who works, who is making an income, were to pass away, then that would obviously create a burden for the spouse and the children. Would the surviving spouse have to go back to work? What about the children's college education? Will the surviving spouse make near as much money as the deceased spouse did? Will he or she be able to make contributions continuing to the retirement plan, or will those goals be shot because there wasn't any planning done? So in that situation, you can see that it's very vital for somebody to have life insurance when you have, for example, a spouse and children dependent upon you. The third reason would be if you're a business owner or possibly a key employee of a business. And in this situation, the business would vitally be dependent upon you, especially if you're somebody who is the driver of revenue and sales, or maybe you're a key cog in that machine and you're vitally important to the company, and the loss of your life would impact the business as it stands today. So in that situation, likely the company would want to own a life insurance policy on you, or possibly the other owners would want to own a life insurance policy on you. So hopefully you can see that with these three examples that really life insurance is only needed if there is some sort of financial burden should you not be around. I would love to hear your comments. How has life insurance played a role in your life, either positively or negatively? Feel free to share any thoughts or comments or questions directly below this video. Love to hear from you and interact with you in that manner. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.